Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog crates that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Midwest Homes for Pets Life Stages Double Door Folding Crate. My family has had the Midwest Homes for Pets Life Stages crate for more than 2 decades. It's moved houses with us and been used by 3 different dogs, from tiny puppies through adulthood. I used the crate with its adjustable divider when my current dog was an 8-pound puppy, and now at 4 years old and 55 pounds, she still sleeps in it every night. Even after decades of constant use, the crate's metal frame still feels completely sturdy and barely shows any signs of wear. There are 2 doors, one on the front, one on the side, each secured with slide bolt latches that include a paw block mechanism to prevent Houdini dogs from pawing the door open from inside. It also features rounded corners, so puppies won't snag themselves on sharp edges when they're moving around. The wire construction allows for plenty of ventilation, and while some dogs prefer the openness, mine has always liked a crate cover to create a den-like environment. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Diggs Revol dog crate. The Diggs Revol is undeniably a major upgrade in both quality and cost compared to typical wire crates, starting around $500 and climbing to nearly $1,000, depending on size. But several trainers and veterinarians we spoke to, including Ellis, specifically recommended it because of safety-oriented details that aren't standard in most crates. For example, the Revol has smooth, diamond-shaped steel mesh, which helps avoid paws or jaws getting caught, and rounded corners that minimize the risk of injury if your dog moves around a lot inside. These safety improvements might be worth the investment if you have a particularly anxious or active dog, or a puppy who tends to paw or bite at their crate. Some of its other features aren't necessarily unique. It has a removable plastic tray and adjustable divider, just like more affordable crates. But the Revol does add details that make regular use a bit simpler. It folds flat for storage and has built-in wheels and a sturdy handle, so you can roll it between rooms without having to pick it up. At number 3, we have the Elite Field 3-door folding soft dog crate. My dog regularly stays overnight with family, and she's always preferred sleeping in her crate over settling loose at night. Rather than lugging around our heavier wire crate when traveling, we've used Elite Field's soft-sided crate for years. It's lightweight, folds completely flat, and slides right into our trunk, while leaving plenty of space for luggage or anything else we need. Setting it up takes just a few seconds. One person can pop it open and zip it together without needing help. Once assembled, the crate fits her regular crate bed nicely, and the zippered mesh doors let her easily walk in or out. This crate works best for dogs like mine, who already feel comfortable in a crate and won't try chewing or clawing their way out. But it's perfect for weekend trips or any travel where you want your dog's familiar sleeping spot without hauling around something bulky. At number 2, we have the Fable Pets crate. If you've spent years reluctantly decorating around a dog crate or hiding it altogether, Fable's crate is probably the solution you've been looking for. It honestly looks more like an end table or a modern sideboard than a place for your dog to sleep, especially if you go with the clear acrylic gate option. The crate is super solid and can hold up to 300 pounds on top, so you can use it as a real piece of furniture without worrying about it collapsing. There's plenty of airflow through the small openings, and it's designed to make your dog feel cozy and protected, not confined. And finally, at number 1, we have the Impact High Anxiety Dog Crate. To be clear, if you have a well-behaved, calm pup, you don't need something like this crate. But for owners who know the frustration and stress of coming home to find their dog has broken out of another crate, hurt themselves in the process, or damaged doors, walls, or furniture in their panic, this crate is worth considering. Impact specifically built it for dogs who can escape anything and those who suffer severe separation anxiety. It's constructed from extra thick aluminum with heavy-duty butterfly latches and a reinforced door system. Even determined chewers and strong dogs won't easily break this crate apart. And if by some miracle your dog does, Impact covers replacement parts or even the entire crate for life. The smaller ventilation holes are specifically designed to prevent dogs from catching teeth or claws in the openings, while still allowing adequate airflow. It's designed to help anxious dogs feel calmer and more secure by creating a darker, quieter space they can't break free from. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.